I've litigated with Afriforum and Roots before, and they've never brought someone so weak as you. I think they've done the worst disservice to themselves.
Ibe nguphansi phezulu namhlanje kule nkundla Inkokheli ye-EFF umnumzana Julius Malema ibetha ngenqindi etafuleni sithi ayigungqi kuluvo lwayo.
It is white people who must be ashamed of what they've done to us. You cannot turn tables now and want to blame me for the crimes committed by white people.
Loka Malema uthi azinasihlahla ingxelo zokuba le ngoma ithi Dubula ibhulu iphembelela ukuhlaselwa kwamafama yaye uthi le ngoma ayiniki mkhombandlela wokufunza edabini.
We don't give a command through singing. When it is time to give a command, we'll give that command.
Ukanti izibilini ziye zaphezulu Loka Malema engafihli makhuba kulinywa.
Your parents have left you a bad name. So that is the context I'm using it. So please, if you are going to be a legal representative, you are going to have to reduce yourself from this case as an individual.
Umnumzana Malema utyhole i-Afriforum ngokuzenza amaxhoba watsho esithi akanadyudyu yaye akagungqi kuluvo lwakhe.
White people stole our land.
Which white people?
White people who came and settled here.
350 years ago?
Yes.
White people now are land thieves.
Yes, they remain land thieves.
They remain land thieves.
Yes, the land has not been returned into the hands of the rightful owners.
Ukanti le nkundla iza kuphinda ihlale ngomso.